Good afternoon, my dear brothers and sisters. If there's one powerful symbol that both our readings would give to us and would remind us to use properly, is the powerful symbol of our hands, ang ating pong mga kamay. We've heard this beautiful imagery and beautiful way how God connects to His people Israel, or how God connected to His people Israel when He asked the prophet Jeremiah to witness what or how a potter forms a clay. Mabubuo ang isang banga kapag ang kamay ng taong ito ay humuhulma ng tama. And it is also catching that whenever there will be some sort of, shall we say, may masira, hindi humulma ng tama, the potter, as what our readings would say, would think of something that will appease him and even would make him happy. Muli, ang isang kamay na huhulma naman muli ng maganda, ng mahalaga at tama. Dahil ganyan na nais niyang ipaalala sa kanyang minamahal na bayan, ganito ko kayo inaalagaan at ganito ko kayo binibigyan ng aking paggabay sa maganda, sa mahalaga at sa tama. The parables of Jesus in our gospel would once again use the power of our hands. This fishermen who would throw out the bad fish because they have not been good, they have not grown well, they have not received fully the nutrition and trust or given to them. And those that is good were placed into buckets. Something that is worthwhile, their sacrifice, something worthwhile for their life. And my dear brothers and sisters, more than us appreciating once more how our hands can work, this will always be a reminder that whenever God works, God's hands are at work. It works for the valuable and for the best. Kapag kakamay na ang Diyos ang kumikilos at gagalaw o huhulma sa ating buhay, asahan na ho natin, ang dala nito sa atin ay mga mahahalagang bagay at marahil mga bagay na mayaman. The little mission entrusted to you by the Lord could be ways how you can be a hand of God every day. There might be desires that you might want, but that was not the will of God. Baka kamay ho ng Diyos iyan na kumikilos, hindi man nating kalooban, pero kamay ng Diyos na kumikilos para maging maganda at mahalaga sa atin. Baka sa karanasan natin bilang isang bayan, itong mga hinaharap nating krisis ay kamay ng Diyos na humuhulma at hinuhubog tayo para tumino tayo, para bumalik muli sa atin ang ating pagkamakabayan, para maging tapat muli tayo sa ating pagpili at sa ating buhay. Whenever God's hands are at work, it works for the valuable and the best. Huwag nating pagdudahan ang mga kamay ng Diyos na ito na ginawa tayo kung sino tayo ngayon at naglagay sa atin kung nasaan tayo ngayon. And it is also a very powerful reminder that you have your hands as well. Whatever is entrusted to you, whatever is given to you, work for the valuable, work for what is lovely, work for what will be rich. Let us appreciate this hand of God working in us, all towards what is good, the beautiful, and the great. And whatever is also entrusted to you, be that potter who wish what is beautiful and would always wish what is the best for everyone.